हेलो प्यारे दोस्तों, एमएसबीटी एग्जाम कैसी देनी चाहिए उसका लाइव ऐप डेमो आपके लिए लाया हूँ। लास्ट तक जरूर देखिए और चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए क्योंकि ऐसे अपडेट आपको तुरंत मिलने के लिए।
Welcome to the Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education online examination instruction video. In this video, we are going to discuss various aspects about the online examination of MSBTE. Please read all the instructions carefully before starting your exam. Exam process. You will receive your username, password, examination link and Android app link via SMS on your registered mobile number. You need to keep your password confidential and make sure that you do not share it with anyone. Once you get your username and password, you can directly log in on the examination URL to attempt your exam. Alternatively, you can use our Android app of MSBTE exam to attempt your exam. Once you enter your credentials on the app or website, you can directly attempt your test on the scheduled date. System requirements for online exam. You either need to have your laptop or desktop or mobile or any other device with working camera. You need to have the internet connection of at least 1 Mbps speed. You need to make sure that your device is sufficiently charged in order to avoid any interruptions during your exam. Similarly, you need to make sure that there is proper internet pack for the exam. You need to use the Google Chrome for appearing your exam. Instructions for device camera. In order to verify your identity, we need your images. So throughout the exam, your images will be captured using your inbuilt camera. So please make sure that your device has a working inbuilt camera and the camera access has been granted to the Chrome browser or the MSBTE exam app. Light should be good enough in the room where you are giving the exam. There should be sufficient light on your face to make it identifiable. Step to download the Android app. Directly click on the link of Android app which is shared with you via SMS or go to the Play Store and search for MSBTE exam app. Exam timetable. The online exams are conducted as per the timetable published by MSBTE on the website. The examinee can see the list of all theory examination which has been assigned to him in his login. MSBTE is conducting Winter 2020 theory examination of AICTE approved regular course student from 2nd March 2021 onwards. The examinee can log in to the activated link using the login credentials. The time slot for the examination is 10 am to 12 pm or 2 pm to 4 pm. The examinee will get 1 hour after he log in. The countdown timer for the end of the examination starts when you log in and start the exam. Mock test. MSBTE will conduct the mock test on 24th and 25th February to make sure the students are familiar with the software. The device that you are going to use for the mock test should be the same that you are intending to use for appearing the final exam. In case you do not have facility to appear the online examination from your location, you need to contact the principal of your institute so that they can make arrangement of your online exam at the nearby Polytechnic Institute. Important instruction for the online test. You need to make sure that there are no academic materials like books or written notes or photocopied materials or any gadgets surrounding the place where you are giving your online exam. In case you feel any question or its answer are wrong, in that case you can contact with the principal. Please make sure that you do not receive any kind of calls or any other interruptions during the course of examination. These kind of interruptions will be considered as malpractice. In case your online examination is interrupted due to power failure or internet connectivity failure or any other reason, you do not need to panic. As soon as the issue is resolved, you can resume your exam at the point where you left. However, in case of frequent interruption, you need to give the reason of these interruptions. If due to any hardware failure, you need to change your device, in that case, you need to contact the principal of your institute or the coordinator of your institute. Once you log into your exam, you can see the question and 4 options of that question. You can click on the right answer and you can navigate between the questions using the button Save and Next. Also, you can mark certain questions for review. Once you have navigated to the all questions and have you completed the exam, you can go to the last question and click on End Exam button. Once you click on End Exam button, you cannot attempt the exam again. You should not close the browser window or app before logging out. First, log out of the examination software and then you can close the browser. Exam format. The exam contains 40 multiple choice questions. You need to attempt any 30 of these given 40 questions. Each MCQ will have 4 options, one of which will be correct. There will be no negative marking and each question will carry 1 mark. In case the examinee attempts more than 30 questions, the marks of 30 correct answers will be counted. The duration of the exam will be of 1 hour. Please enter your username and password. Then enter the CAPTCHA code and then accept the terms and policies of the website and then click on Login button. Once you are logged in, all the exams that have been assigned to you will be visible. For example, this candidate has been assigned with 2 exams, so 2 exams are visible to him. You can check other exam details and after verifying, you can click on Proceed button. Once you click on Proceed button, the camera access will be asked. Please permit the camera access to Chrome. Now various exam related instructions will be shown to you. Please make sure you read these all instructions carefully and then click on I have read and understood the instruction and then click on Start Exam button. Once you click on Start Exam, the question is displayed to you. You can read the question and click on the radio button in front of right option. You can easily navigate between questions by using Save and Next button. You can also mark certain questions for review in case of confusion. You can easily jump to a distant question by clicking on the digit which is present at the middle right of screen. There are certain color codes available which denotes question. For example, red color current question, green attempted, blue attempted and marked for review, and purple the not attempted and marked for review question. At the top right there is timer which denotes time till completion of exam. In this case I still have 1 hour and 29 minutes till completion of exam. If I try to switch the window in between, an alert will be shown to me that please do not switch the window as it will be counted as a malpractice. You can move to any question using the digits which are present at right of the screen. In order to end the exam, you can go to the last question and click on End Exam button. Once you click on End Exam button, the exam summary will be shown to you. Number of attempted, not attempted and marked for review question will be available. You can confirm the same by clicking on Yes. Now again exam summary will be shown. You can verify the same and click on Continue button. Now the exam status will get updated as completed. Now you cannot reattempt that test. You can now log out of the system and can close the browser. To download this Android app, you need to go to the Play Store and search for MSBTA exam. Please download and install this particular app. You need to allow all the permissions to this app. Then you need to enter your login credentials. You will receive your login credentials via SMS on your registered mobile number. After entering credentials, click on Login button. Once you log in, all the exams that have been assigned to you will be visible. In this case, the candidate has been assigned with multiple exams, so that all the exams are visible to the candidate. Some exam related information will also be available. Once you verify the exam, you can click on Proceed button. After that, certain exam related instructions will be shown to you. Please read all the instructions carefully and then click on I have read and understood the instruction to start the exam. Once you start the exam, the question will be visible to you. There are certain image based questions. In that case, you can enlarge the image by clicking on it so that the image will be clear to you. You can give the answer by simply clicking on the radio button in front of right option. You can easily navigate between the questions by using Save and Next and Previous button. You can also mark certain questions for review. There is a timer at the top left of screen which denotes the time till completion of exam. In this case, I still have 59 minutes till the completion of exam. There are certain color codes available for your reference. For example, red color indicates the current question, green color indicates the attempted question, blue color indicates attempted and marked for review questions, and the purple color indicates not attempted and marked for review questions. You can easily jump to a distant question by clicking on the question number which is present at bottom of the screen. If you try to go back from the application, this pop-up will be shown, not allowed, that exam is in progress. In case you get any interruption and get out of the exam, you can simply go back to the exam. Due to interruption, if you close your app, you need to open that app again. Once you are done with your exam, you can go to the last question and click on End Exam button. Exam summary will be shown to you. In case you still want to continue your exam, you can go back to the exam and attempt the remaining questions. Once you are sure that you are done with your exam, you can click on End Exam button and you can confirm the same. Now, exam summary of attempted, not attempted and review question will be shown to you again. Then you can continue the same. Now the exam status will get updated as completed. Now you cannot reattempt this exam again. Now please make sure that you log out of the system